Magandang hapon. Hapon na mga Inday dito sa Amerika mga Inday. Ang oras dito is 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the afternoon mga Inday. And then ngayon mga Inday, nakaligo na tayo, naka-makeup na tayo. Kaunting makeup lang dahil lipstick, wala nang face powder. Eyebrow, eyeliner, tama na yan. So ngayon dahil naghihintay na lang ako sa asawa ko dahil na dumating galing sa work. Kasi dahil may pupuntahan tayo. So titingnan natin kung isasama namin si Bibi Kano or tingnan natin dahil or sasama ba yung panganay kong anak. Iwan ko dahil kung anong plano nito dahil. So hihintayin ko na lang yung jusawa ko mga Inday. Si Bibi Kano pala mga Inday is tulog pa. So mga ganitong oras dahil mga 1 o'clock hanggang alas 3 dahil yan yung nap time ni Bibi Kano. And then tulog na din kami 9 o'clock in the evening, yan yung ano namin, matutulog na kami mga Inday. So yun, hihintayin natin si Bibi Kano na gumising or gumigising or gising, oh ano ba yan. So hihintayin natin si Bibi Kano na gumising and then bibihisan natin. And then, hihintayin din natin yung jusawa kong mga Inday. Dahil nandyan. Nandyan na yung asawa kong mga Inday. Dahil ang oras dito dahil is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon na mga Inday. Bakit hinaan ko yung busis ko dahil? Nandito man tayo sa sala. Nandiyan na yung asawa ko din.
Yeah, I opened the package and I realized I was feeling it and I'm like, that doesn't feel like me. So then I looked at the name, it said Fuji.
Love you.
Oh, you just got out of the shower. Eric made me work today.
So you are overtime 1 more hour?
Not the full hour, I worked till 24 after.
Okay. I'll give this to Fuji.
Yeah, that's
We still going or what? What the plan here? What the plan?
Boy, what'd you do with that thing on?
What the plan gani?
Got it.
Gani.
Why are you squeezing my tatooine?
Because you're tutoy.
You called me fat.
No.
And that's what you did. You just said. Yeah.
No, you're not
No,
fat
you
gani.
hurt my heart.
Ay, patay ay. What is this, Kla?
I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go cry in the corner though.
It's ano lang,
It's
mask.
face mask.
Yeah, for the cold weather. And this one
But
is...
here's the thing though, it's getting warm now.
That's right. I don't know, Koji. Why Koji bought this one? I'll give this to Koji, love. Dahil medyo madilim dito dahil hindi ko inon yung light. Kailangan mag-budget. Punta tayo sa taas dahil ibigay ko muna ito sa anak ko dahil na-open ng asawa ko. Akala niya na sa kanya to kasi may hinintay din siya na package. In-order niya online. Nat! Your order is here! Your order is here! Na-open na ni Paul. Kaya biniyag iyaha. Imuha sa, di ba ni mo ako Ginoo ko. Iwan ko dahil kung lalabas kami dahil parang late na dahil ba. Alas 4 na ng hapon dito sa amin. Yung weather natin dahil. Cloudy weather. Puntahan natin yung jusawa ko dahil. Hello mga Inday. Ngayon mga inday, lalabas tayo mga inday. Asher, come here. Uy, you are so much close in the camera. Bibihisan natin si Bibi Kano mga inday. Agoy, so pagbihis ni Mama Ani, you're super kulit. Nay, di ka lang ka, di lang ka, bilhin na kabalay, ay. Ilang ka uban? Ha? No, naman. Ilang ka muban ka, Mama? You stay here with Kuya Kuji and Kuya Pen? Wak na, day. Yung bata, day. Uy, we need to put your t-shirt. Hindi na ko nakakanak po, day. Eh, sobraan mo si Bibi Kano, day. Tanawa na gud siya, oh. Bili na lang ka, oy. Tanawa, gusto niya pala sa camera. Oh, dito. Hindi niya makita yung mukha mo, nak. Ay, ang batay. Eh, di ko siya magpahawak, day. You say hi, Bi. Hi. Hi, mga ati kuya. Hello. Dali, Bi. Dali, baby. We're gonna put this one on. Bi, hi, sabi. Hi, sabi. Hello. You smile, sabi. You smile. Hello. Ay, she's yung bata. Ay, naglalaro ang bata, day. Day, sa pawan na ako ang jacket, day. Lagyan ko ng more jacket kasi kahit may araw, day, is maginaw pa din siya, day. Kahit may araw, day. So, sa pawan na ako og sikan jacket, day. Hala, yung hoodie pala ni Asher nasa taas. Don't push that one, Asher. It will off. Yung hoodie, ay yung kalo niya, day ba? Nasa taas pala, day. Kukunin ko, day. Punta tayo sa taas, mga... Yun na. Punta tayo sa taas, mga inday. Ilagay ko muna dyan si Bibi Kano. Ang gamit ko ngayon, mga inday, is cellphone. Kasi hindi ko pa nakuha yung... Huwag kang umiyak, na. I will get your, kalo. Yung, day, yung camera ko, day, is nandoon sa sasakyan. Hindi ko pa nakuha. So, ngayon, kaya nga, cellphone yung gamit natin ngayon sa day, video, day. Our video for today. So, nandito yung kalo ni Bibi Kano, day. Oh, ito na, day. And then, pupuntahan natin yung jusawa ko. Nagmamadali kami, day. Ay, nako. Dali na, Asher. We'll go, Papa. Ay, wala pagi sapatos. Hindi ko pa nalagyan ng sapatos. Come here, Mama. Mama will put your shoes. Dali. Mama will put your shoes. Bata de. Abtik kayo de. Abtik you. Ilagay ko kayo dyan ulit. Mama will put your shoes na. May put socks. Put socks. Excited si Bibi Kano, day. Basta makalabas kami. Sobrang excited ng batang to. And then, buwi patay, oy. And then, shoes. Put shoes. Alam niya talaga, day. Ito, here. Other side. Na, lalabas kami. Basta mag-put shoes na, ibig sabihin niya, lalabas kami. Kaya itong batang to, excited na makalabas sa bahay. Yung bataan. Yeah, and then we'll go papa. Yeah, we'll go papa there in man cave. Ay, ginoo ko. Mama will get my Mama will get my bag. I need to get my bag. Yan yung bag natin dyan. Kapuyan mo kung magkanang... napapagod ako dahil na yung mga card ko dito, ilalagay ko sa kabilang bag na may bag ako dito dahil napapagod ako na i-transfer uli dahil transfer ngayon dahil ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko dahil nasa sa akin kailan ko ito i-change ay be we gonna put your gonna put your hat Asher Shilton come here mama put your hat dali you put your hat on dali mama kadali lang mama will arrange. Uy, sumani. Oh, hi mga ati. Hi mga ati. Hi, hello. Hello. Yung bata matuta natin. Puntahan natin yung papa niya, day. Yung bata agad. Oh, wa, nagitaan eh. Tapos na ako, day. Nakasapatos na si Bibi Kano. Nandyan yung isa kong anak, mga inday. Walang pasok today, day. Kasi ano yung nak? Sim break? Ano yung nak? Spring break. Spring break, mga inday. Kaya walang pasok yung anak ko, day. Yung anak ko, day, ayaw niya magpakita sa vlog ko, day. So, next time, wag na nating pakita. Yung anak ko isa, day, galing din sa trabaho. And then, ngayon, maglagay tayo ng agre. Whew! You stay there, sabi. Mama will put my shoes. Alahi, wala mo ka na pakita dire. Hay! Ala. Yeah, you stay with Kuya Kuji. Wala. Lagay tayo ng sapatos din. Agray. Oh, let's go na, anak. We go, Papa. Dali.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye na kuya, bye-bye!
Babay na, Kuya. Dali na. Come here. Asa, pagbabay na, anak diya. Ikaw, anak ka karon na.
Bye-bye na!
Kani naglangay-langay din si Asir. Gusto din niyang magtago. Ala! Nakita ang lawas na 6 packs. Mugani, ay lako lang tong i-edit. Dahil pupuntahan natin yung papa niya. Dahil i-edit naman na. Bye-bye, Kuya.
Look at me! Asher!
Ilok, Kuya. Ilok, Kuya. Awa na, excited na eh.
Bye-bye!
Oh, bye-bye, Kuya. Tulungan, Kuya. Ayaw niya magkita, nak, ay ba? Nak, i-close na ko ni nak. Ikaw mag-close, nak. Palihog. Pupuntahan natin yung... Ay, kinuok ani day. Nag-leisure ng agay. Si vlog pa more, oh. Yung kalo ni Asher. At I think I need to fix that kalo, nak. Pupuntahan natin yung papa niya, day. Ay, kinuok ko. Laban. Papa! Agay, kinuo ko. La, di ba day, maaraw day? Maaraw, akala mo mainit. Uy, nakasilaw. Anong adlaw day eh. Akala mo mainit, hindi mainit day, malamig. Papa! We are ready! Agay. Agay. We are ready, Papa! Nandito tayo sa man cave day. Natin day. And then yung bata natin day naglalaro. You play? Olo. Sige. Gusto niya dito sa labas day. Slowly, you watch. Oh, naisa nga dong. Asir, naisa nga asir. Ala, bahala ka dira matumba gani karon Paghinay, tanawa, nasabod na sa sanga. Bisayaon na to ni day. Para makasabutig Bisaya ning bataan ni. Where you go na? Papa is still not there. That is only a car, Asher. My love. Asher going to the car na. Naday, pumunta na si Asher day sa sasakyan namin day. Papa is still not there, anak. That is only a car. Papa is still not there. Papa is still here. Oh, Papa is coming na. Yay! Papa is coming! Wala, you go na there in the car. You go in the car na. Naman yung bataan eh.
Yeah, sure.
Hinintay niya talaga yung papa niya. Papa need to lock the door.
Yeah, Papa's packing electronics.
Come here na, come here. Come here, you walk here. You know how to walk? Come here, Mama. Ay, shush, 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 shush.
That's why we had to work on it.
Yay! He going here in the car, and then because he's thinking that you are here, and then when I told him that you are not here, he go back.
You're good. You gotta go around the other side, Asher.
Lo. Umbota natin na. Let's go na, Asher. Go on the other side. Come here na. Dali na bata. Agoy, niguno ko na akong anak, day. Nakalak na yung bata natin, mga inday. Nandiyan na sa iyang upuan. And then, pasok na tayo dito sa loob, mga inday, ng ating doorlab. Yay! Mga Inday, nandito na tayo sa sasakyan, mga Inday. And then, may pupuntahan nga tayo. And then, dyan yung Joshua ko galing sa work. May pa-heart pa si Joshua, Day! Pasensya na kayo sa ano, Day. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay sa background kasi nandito si Vivicano. At nandyan din si Vivicano sa likod ng sasakyan, mga Inday. So, madali ang ano lang to, Day. Madali ang labas lang to, mga Inday. Kailangan ko mag-voice record, Day. Day, nandito na tayo, Day, sa grocery, Day. Kukunin namin yung medicine ng anak ko, Day, sa drugstore. And then, nandito si Vivicano. Dito ko ilagay sa mukha ko, Day, kasi may mga tao. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Oh, they don't have the ano. It's okay. They don't have the white thing.
No.
No, you don't. Yeah. There's something there. My love, you put my answer. I will get that one. Okay. Mga Inday, nandito na kami sa loob, mga Inday. And then, papunta na kaming drugstore, Day. Ang daming tao. Nagbibitan. Daming tao. Yung security guard. Nandito yung security. What you gonna say?
You say Palihu,
And then,
Torjaku,
Torjak.
Asawa.
Yung asawa ko, Day, sabi.
Palihug.
Palihug, Torjaka ko, asawa.
Yeah. Selamat. Ay, sa kayan.
Nakakatawa na ito si Apam, Day. Ay, ginoo ko, Day. Naghihintay kami, Day, na yung line namin na next kami ba? May next nito, Day, kami na, Day. Bata natin. Ay, sis. Drama.
Oh, now you're gonna do drama, camera shy? Mister, just 2 months ago you were a camera hog.
Yeah, that's right. You say dada? Dada. Dada. Uy, patay. Uy. That's not right. I'm good here ba? I'm a good girl.
What are you doing with that damn camera?
Yung asawa ko dahil.
If anybody gets this message, send help.
Send help daw. Yeah.
Abused bana.
Abuse. Gi-abuse na ako siya dahil. Ay, it is here, my love. Oh. This one. Hala, only one left. Hala, I cannot get. Agay.
Sir, kuya, can you have no compassion?
Diba, ita ning ano day, maliit yung height natin day, hindi ko maabot day. Oy, pamo first, the next time. The next. Next one, Pampers and then go.
Really hide now.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm thirsty.
you're thirsty? Okay. Eh, makating tayo nga po, day. With the Pampers is here, gani. Ang asawa ko, day. Saan naman ito pupunta, day, oh?
Task coordinator, please check the application.
Where you go? Ito, matakbo talaga yung asawa ko, day. Hmm? Ano siya, oh?
There's Filipinos following me.
Kailangan daw niya ng tulong pulis, day. Yung asawa ko, day. Ay, ginoo ko, day. What brings you out, my love?
Coordinator, please check the application. 10110.
Gusto ng asawa ko ng ano, day, drinks kasi nauuhaw siya. What you want?
How much milk do you have left?
You still have milk there. Eh? We still have a lot. We don't need more. Oh, bahala ka. Yan gusto mo. Yan gusto ng asawa ko rin. Ay, day, nagbuha yung asawa ko niyan, day. Kasi, day, is $3, $4, $5. Mura na yan, day. Naka-sale. They are same?
Pretty much. No, I got all 3 different ones.
Okay.
I got the last one of
Okay.
strawberry lemonade.
Okay, let's go na. Ngayon, day,
Yes.
tingnan nyo yung
All
refill.
of the bottles of
Water,
water.
day. Water refill station, day. Ito, bibili ka nito, day. What? Bibili ka nito, and then dito mo lagyan ng tubig, day. And then may cover dito sa baba.
Yeah,
And
but
then,
I don't like these open.
yeah, but you need to, here, the cover. Oh, my love, you don't need to do that.
I want to know.
Sige. Ay, yung tag-try yun akong bana day. Naunsa yung akong bana day. Try talaga siya day. Oh,
Oops. Wow. Clean up an L5, right? Owen has got the,
yes, see, there's a lot.
the new seal.
Oh, yeah.
So, yes.
It's working.
No, for about the same price as all the bottles.
Ah, it's
$3.
same. Ah, ay.
So it's like half the price.
Ay. Okay. Ngayon dahil nandito na kami dahil nakalabas na kami. Nag-ano lang kami dahil nag-self check-in lang kami dahil para mabilisan dahil. Then ngayon bumili kami ng lechon manok dahil. Matagal-tagal na din na hindi kami nakakain ng lechon manok. Ano, same price lang sa atin dahil. $400. May lang. Ah, 400. Hala, may lang. There's someone card. I don't know what kind of cards. Lots of cards.
We can't collect everybody's wallet.
There's a lot of cards there.
I'm gonna bet it's not the person in the car.
Ah,
Probably the last person, last 10 people who
uy. Dahil may nakita kaming ano dahil wallet doon sa
We already
drugstore.
found one wallet today.
Ngayon dahil nandito na tayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Dahil nakakita kami kanina ng wallet
You will
dahil.
be my berry dispenser, yes?
I will try. Dispensers and ilong. You the
No.
one buy this one, gane?
Yeah, but you're the dispenser.
What we call the name, baby?
Raspberry.
Rush?
Raz.
Raspberry.
Yeah.
Dahil tingnan yung raspberry dahil.
Genetically altered.
Genetic alter.
Yeah, look how big they are.
And then ay wala nang ano liso kinuha na dahil. Why there is supposed to be seeds here?
That's
Or what?
It's growing off of that.
Ah.
When you pull it and it's ripe, then all that just comes out that way.
Mm.
So think of it like a pip.
There's no taste man, oy.
Because it's genetically altered.
Oy.
The ones in nature that are smaller and natural taste so much better.
Wala ka ba?
Hmm?
There's no taste.
We'll go back and throw these damn things in the window right now.
It's just like ismashi.
Hmm. I'll send my angry Filipino back in and see how they handle that. Then I'll just be like, yeah, Uh-huh. Da, da, da.
Da. I will try the small one.
Doesn't matter. It's just as genetically altered as the larger ones.
You know, there is a
It's
taste.
stripped of taste, it's stripped of
It's
nutrients.
little
It just fills the stomach.
sour. It's little sour. It's just a little bit tiny sour. That is, you know.
Sprayed with pesticides, insecticides, and whatever type of
I'm thinking it is
side
sweet,
they
but
want to
it's
give
not.
us.
Yeah, it's not sweet. There is no taste.
No, maybe they'll figure out how to spray that on later.
Right.
No. Yeah, just complaining about it enough.
Let's go
They'll do like a
naman, eh.
spray-on flavor. Next thing you know, that may cause 6 kinds of cancer, but it sells good.
Let's go.
I mean, I'm not even mad at them anymore.
Yay! Makes me sad though that there is no Taco Bell anymore for me.
You want a Diet Coke from Taco Bell?
Oh, that would be nice. It's cold there.
We're not going to. I just wanted to find out if you wanted it.
Oh my God, my bana is so harsh. It's harsh to me tonight.
that's not true.
He asked, nagtanong siya sa akin, Day, kung gusto ko ba daw na diet coke. And then ngayon, Day, sabi niya, tinanong lang daw niya, pero hindi siya bibili. That is a good wife, a good husband? Da.
You want to zoom back to them?
No, I don't want sumbag. Da. Talaga, Day, ano na kami, Day? Larga bula. Mga Inday, nandito natin sa bahay, Day. May tinatry yung apam ko, Day, no? In-order niya sa online. What can make that one, love?
It's got a nice orange smell to it.
And then what will happen to the car? It will have, give shine or what?
Oh, find out.
Oh, patay. Naglilikra mo na yung bata natin, Day. Ate. Ay, sis, tumatawa yung batuta natin. Come here na, Mama, be. Mama will get you na. Come na inside. Kunin ko muna sa bibikan mo, mga Inday. Ito na yung bata natin, Day. Nakalabas ang bata. Ay, yeah, my love. It's nice. It's shiny.
You know the car needs washing.
Ah, yeah. Need washing, and then you're gonna put that one. Ano ba?
I don't think.
What, Andre?
Get away with this, but it looks
Where
like
you
we
go?
need one more step.
Huh?
We need one more step.
Okay.
We gotta get the spinning wheel, and then I'm gonna have to take a light grit to it.
Okay. Hoy! Shh! Don't go there. No. Come here, Mama.
There's silicone on that.
Agoy, yung bataan ni Day. Yung bata ni Day. Tara na. Dili na. We go inside. No. My love, oh. He don't want to go inside, Papa. Tanawa. He's running. Where you go? Hala, what is that? Hala! He's running na. Tumatakbo talaga si Bibi ka na. Where you go? Hala, it's cold, Asher. Hala, Day. Aha naman yung muadto ning bataa, Day. Uy, ginoo ko ni akong anak, Day.
That's a pine cone. Yeah, it's a pine cone.
Ay, ang lamig, Day. Si Asher, Day, hindi siya nilalalamig. Asher, it's cold. Mama is shaking na. Ginoo ko. Day, nangurok na ko, Day. My love, big, Asher. Ay, ginoo ko. Oh, what is that? There's a nice sounds. He want to touch, my love. He cannot touch. See? He want to touch. Yay! Ah! Chiki! Ah! He's smiling. Ah! Tara na, let's go na, my love. It's super cold na. Day, pasok natin sa loob. Day,
I know this is gonna break your little heart.
It's super cold na. Kailangan na na.
Laying the law down.
It's super cold.
Ow, I got
Sorry. I'm giggling gani. Kinurot ko yung asawa ko dahil.
Give me one of the waters, will you?
Water.
Yeah. Fight you, love.
Ay. Okay, you try.
I don't know if I like their product.
Okay, it's not really working.
Well, it does a little bit, but
Pasok na tayo dahil.
bypass all the problems. Go find the most expensive one on the market and just buy that.
My love, you bring Asher, I'll bring this one. Kukunin ko itong ano dahil. Oh. Bumili kami ng ano dahil, drinks sa Taco Bell. And then, isang price para kay Asher. Pasok na tayo sa loob eh. Sobrang lamig pa talaga dahil. Iwan ko ba eh? Bakit sobrang lamig pa dahil? Ilagay ko. Ilagay ko sa mesa. And then i-on natin yung light dahil.
There you go.
Madilim.
Get the water. There you go. Good job.
And then isiparit. Isiparit ko. Ilagay ko to sa ano dahil. Ilagay ko sa plato ba? Ilagay ko sa plato. You gotta say water bottle, love. He don't know the cup.
water and he hit it that way, but he didn't complete it. He got confused, sidetracked. You know how those guys do.
That's
We're on
right.
track, we're walking, we know exactly what we're supposed to be doing, then all of a sudden, squirrel! And then that's it. You forgot.
I forgot. Ibigay ko na ito kabibikan. Draw your food na. Yung bata natin dahil. Yung cute na bata dahil. Oh, your food. Dali na. Eat your food na. You go down. Go down. Diyan na siya dahil. And then ngayon dahil ibigay ko itong drink sa anak ko dahil. Sprite ito. Sa anak ko, Sprite. Friends, drinks. Dili na. Dili na, iiyak ko na hinong itunog, ibutang. Nawa, yun na, libog ditaan eh. Ano, tatawagin ko yung isa kong anak dahil. Si Kuji ba? Ibibigay ko to sa kanya. Koje! Nak! Oh, drinks Drinks! Mountain Dew. Nandyan yung anak ko isa. Thank you. Your sir. Sir. Welcome. Ay, Ginoo. Welcome. And then, sa akin, ito yung sa akin dahil may diet coke. Ay, tutulungan ko muna yung asawa ko dahil ha.